I'm Dr. Paul Garcia, Director of Bands at North Carolina State University, and I have been challenged in the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS by a former student. We know him as Chris Lusuriello. Some of you out there might know him as Chris Michaels, meteorologist for WYCB. Is that correct? That's WCYB. I want to get it right for all those people in East Tennessee. Now, as I understand it, this challenge has to be done within 24 hours. We're in band camp, but we're going to get it done within 24 hours. Second, you get to challenge some people to do it with you. Now, I have a little bit to my challenge. This challenge goes out to all of the directors and bands in the ACC. I'm challenging you to donate to ALS or to get the Ice Bucket. I'm going to do both. And the NC State Marching Band is going to be part of this challenge. They're all donating in the next couple of days. We're going to make a full donation in the name of the NC State Marching Band to help stop ALS. I hope that all of you will do the same. I'm challenging all the ACC directors. This is how the Wolfpack does it. Guys, you ready? NC State Wolfpack cares. Do it!